Stop scrolling if you are a fresher looking for an IT job in 2026 because Accenture has finally opened hiring for the SASA role, and this can be a very good entry opportunity for students who want to start their career in the IT industry. But there is one problem, I'll say many problems. Thousands of students will apply. Most students will only fill the form and wait. The students who actually understand the selection process, prepare according to the syllabus, and avoid common mistakes will have a much higher chance of selection. Hello, my dear family members. In this video, I'll break down everything from eligibility criteria, selection process, assessment pattern, complete syllabus, package, preparation strategy, and how you can prepare. Like everything we'll discuss in this video so that you can get the job. Okay, so to get all the contents day by day, so please do subscribe and share this content with your friends so that they can also take help and I can be motivated at the same time. Okay,
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
let me start from the very beginning, that is the package. Guys, as per the last year experience, they offered 3.5 or 3.6 to 4 LPA for SASA role, and your responsibility will be mainly regarding the incident handling and support task and the basically support or IT admin task. Okay, now let me discuss about the eligibility criteria. That is, you should be non-engineering graduate or postgraduate such as BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom. If you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA, MSc, you are not allowed. Okay, no active backlogs during application and or during onboarding. You should have completed your relevant degree within a stipulated time duration, and you should have completed your 3 years of BBA or MSc for 2 years, and you should not have more than 23 months of experience, and apart from that you have to be Indian, etc, etc. Okay, now what's the process? So the process is very simple. At first you have to apply through the link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. Please go through that, and then you will be having mock test. You have to attempt that, otherwise you will not be eligible for the real assessment, so please must give that, it is mandatory. Okay, now you will having cognitive assessment, as this is IT support task, IT support role. So cognitive assessment is mandatory but technical assessment is not mandatory. However, you will be having option to give the technical assessment as well. So for cognitive assessment, there will be English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, abstract reasoning. So these parts having total 50 questions. You have to attempt that, and what type of questions will be there, I'll share, just wait. Okay, and then after 5 to 10 minutes of wait, you will be moved forward to the next part, that is technical part. If you pass this cognitive assessment, then only you will get a screen to give cognitive and technical assessment. If you are not passing this round, then you will not be seeing cognitive and technical assessment. Okay, now guys, if you are passed, and if you are not able to pass this cognitive and technical assessment, then what will happen? Then you will get the interview call based on the performance in cognitive assessment, because technical assessment is not a factor or not an elimination round. Okay, you should be aware of that. Okay, guys, one more thing, if you are applying, why other people will not get the assessment and you will get? Because I and our team will refer you in Accenture. So please comment down, or you can just DM me at my Insta handle, or you can just mail us your CV. Then we will refer you in that job and you will get the apply link through your mail from Accenture directly. Okay, so please do that. Okay, or you can just comment down interested, then I will share the email ID. Okay, now the next thing is the syllabus for technical assessment or cognitive and technical assessment. What will be that? English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, abstract reasoning for cognitive sections, and for technical assessment there will be common application and MS Office, pseudo codes and fundamentals of networking security. Okay, Total times will be 90 minutes for this assessment. After you pass, okay, after 1 week or within 1 week, you will get a mail for communication assessment. This is non-elimination round, but still these marks will be impacted in your overall selection because overall marks matters. Okay, they will judge your sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, and pronunciation. Now after you pass overall, then you will get the interview mail. However, if you are getting communication assessment mail, then you are going to get the interview mail as well. Now guys, if you want to prepare for everything, like from cognitive assessment like English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, abstract reasoning, and if you want to prepare for the technical section as well, and also for interview and also for communication assessment, we have everything bundled at technoeuf.com. So please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section and get their materials, because here you will get all the things. Like last year they have asked in cognitive sections the psychometric test or behavioral test, then they had asked questions from like they have provided some gaming questions. Also you will be having pseudo codes, Microsoft application questions, and also operating system questions, DSA questions, some DBMS questions, cloud and networking questions, verbal ability questions. Everything you need to prepare for this all are available here, so please go through that. Also real questions screenshots with their like answers in Java, Python, and also for cognitive ability everything PDFs are also available. So please go through that and have the taste of these materials and get the job at Accenture. I will refer you and I will suggest everything you need to prepare for this. So please go through that, it will be very much helpful. So if you need any information guys, anything, then please comment down. I'll try to assist you there. Thanks for today's session.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.